Okay, this is after tank's all installed. Oh God, please go down. It was running for a little bit. I had to run back in the office and get the my iPad to verify it for show verification. So she's going down. Come on, baby, go all the way down. We're lower now. Over there's another. Okay, come on, baby. The vent solenoid is shut. Gas cap is on. Purge control is naturally shut. It's always off until the computer tells it to turn on. And we got an empty tank, so it's going to take a little while to fill it up with smoke. This is where it takes the longest. Come on, baby, move. Come on. There we go. Come on down. Got to hit 0 within 5 minutes. It's been about, I'd say, 3 minutes so far. It started to, it was about, I don't know, a minute or so before I got the iPad filmed on it. It's been about, I guess, about 3 minutes now, maybe. Come on, baby. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. Make a liar out of me. What the hell's going on? Come on. There we go. Come on down. Come on. Come on down. Hit 0. Come on. I know I don't have any other leak anywhere. Come on. Help me out here. Damn it. Bang, she done. Been about 4.5, almost 5 minutes, I'd say. But it already passed before, so it's probably, that's it. She done. 2000 Tahoe Evap fuel pump installed incorrectly, cracked the top of the pump, and the fuel pump seals were leaking. This just wasn't put in properly by the last mechanic that put it in, and now it's fixed.